After going through the onboarding process and creating your Invideo account, you're brought to a screen like this. And, you know, just so you know, the link is invideo.io. And it says, give me a topic, precise and detailed instructions in any language. I'll say a video of a young girl standing in a garden, or no, in a forest, in the midst. How do they spell midst? Of a thick forest, watching the animals as they play around. And I see make it look cinematic, like the Avatar movie. The young lady should be dressed, or I'll edit this here. The young lady should be dressed in I'll just say in fur or in thick hunting or hunter clothing. The video should be 15, I'll just say 20 seconds long because I'm using the free plan, and use very tense music. In fact, I'll say the animals running through the forest, running through the forest. And then I'll see generate. And it's going to tell me it's creating right now. And it's creating my script. It's going to take a little bit of time to analyze. Now it's thinking. Now it tells me, it gives me the option to either choose use generative media. It's given a topic, a title. Mind you, we're using the version 3.0. It gives a topic, a hunter's gaze, forest adventure. Now, since the point of this video is text to video, we will not use stock media, we'll use generative media. And it says we're going to be using generative media, and this visual style should be realistic. Audience, we'll say adventure seekers. Platform, YouTube. You can choose YouTube. You can choose YouTube Shorts. You can choose, you can make it a YouTube video or YouTube Shorts. You can make it Instagram Reels. And then you can edit the prompt and make it, edit it and make it better. And then we're going to continue. It tells us here it's going to be 20 seconds. I'll click on that. And oh, unfortunately, it tells me we can't use the generative media. So we'll just go with the stock media. You can see how that is going to work. Let's just click on continue. And it's going to take some time to use the stock media. Now, our video is done. If I click on it.
I'm sure you've heard the news. The forest holds mysteries untold and beauty unmatched. A young hunter stands still, eyes wide with wonder as nature's symphony unfolds and the forest breathes its ancient tales. Are you ready to discover the wild within?
Not exactly what I wanted. I'll play this again.
I'm sure you've heard the news. The forest holds mysteries untold and beauty unmatched. A young hunter stands still, eyes wide with wonder as nature's symphony unfolds and the forest breathes its ancient tales. Are you ready to discover the wild within?
Now you can download this and you're still going to be asked to upgrade if you want watermarks or normal in-video branding. I'll say normal, and you can download this in 1080. You can click on continue and you can download this. But if you don't want the in-video watermark, you have to, you have to upgrade. And it's preparing the video now for download. Now you can see here it's being downloaded and it's 35 megabytes, even though just 20 seconds long. So all in all, that is how to use Invideo AI. And it turns out you need one of their very, very expensive plans. I'll go back to their homepage. Invideo. It turns out you need one of their very, very expensive plans in order to use the the version 3. You probably need something like this plan, which is $96 a month, in order to use version 3. So I was just testing this out. If you want to use Invideo, that's the pro version, which gives you very, very good customizations. Use my link in the description and get Invideo now. God bless you. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. Peace.